Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your AJ membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there are two methods by which you can cancel your AJ membership or subscription. So you can see over here, first of all you need to log in into your parent tool, and once you log in into your parent tool you need to select your username or player account from the drop down menu. You can see over here this is the your option. Over here you can see this is the option once you log in into your account. Okay, and you can see over here now you need to select settings option, and in the settings section you will see there is a button membership and auto renewal. Okay, you need to turn off this auto renewal button and you can cancel your subscription by using this way. Okay, and the second method, that is for Android users, you need to tap on your profile icon on your Play Store and you need to select payments and subscription. Now you need to select subscription and you need to select your app, Animal Jam or AJ app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription by using this way. If you have taken your subscription on iOS, then in that case what you have to do, you need to open your iPhone settings and you need to tap on your Apple ID, then select subscription, then you need to select your app, and then you need to follow the prompts and then you can cancel your subscription of AJ. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.